Hi, I'm Julia Murtaugh with the Murtaugh team. Welcome to 1660 Cascina Court in South Livermore. This rarely available farmhouse model is nestled in a quiet court in the highly sought-after Prima neighborhood of South Livermore. This grand home features over 4,300 square feet of living space, the largest floor plan in the development. As you enter, you are greeted by soaring cathedral ceilings, an abundance of natural light, and modern finishes. Recently upgraded with a backup generator, offers peace of mind that every homeowner wants. Thoughtfully designed with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, upstairs, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, downstairs, office, an enormous bonus room which makes for perfect indoor game room, gym, or theater. Relax in the tranquility of your backyard oasis, complete with sparkling pool and cascading waterfall, surrounded by a lush backdrop of mature foliage. Warm summer nights create a pleasant setting to host outdoor dinners on your patio. If you've ever wanted to make your own wine, this property has 30 Cabernet Sauvignon Blanc vines, cloned from the award-winning Concannon Vineyard. If you'd like to see this beautiful home today, please call us, email, or text us. We'd be happy to show you this home.